Today is a culmination of so much work. It really started as an idea of how our credit union could be more proficient about getting financial education into our schools and available to our youth. This project is about bringing that education to our schools with the first student-led and operated credit union in the Kansas City Metro. This project literally was piloted as a credit union in a wagon, where we would wagon in a credit union with a table and a computer set up and try and teach the principles of banking to students. And it has grown into what it is today with 4 walls and a permanent space with its own lobby and workspace for students. So we're just so proud of this project. It's our opinion that we're getting better at physical health, we're getting better at mental health, but financial health seems to be lacking. And we work with so many people who are on different parts of their financial journey where they didn't have the skills necessary to be successful right out of the gate. So it's our initiative to provide tools for students where when they turn 18 and start their financial journey, they're better prepared to be successful.